I once heard a quote by Waylon Lewis: meditate 5 minutes every day and see it wake up your entire life. Well, I don't know about you, but that definitely helps me start each morning. I'm Gina Walton with a Walton home team of Keller Williams, and I just thought I'd share today how I start my mornings, because no 2 days in real estate are the same. Is your job that way also? Well, here's how I make sure that I am the best I can be, both mentally and physically, before I start my power day. First, I wake up at 5:30 and head to the gym. And then as long as it's not snowing or raining or below 30 degrees, this is probably where you're gonna find me in the morning for a cup of coffee while I read a couple verses to meditate on and then journal. It gives me a sense of balance that helps me keep my mind and soul ready for the day, making sure I'm the best I can be for the people around me. What does your morning routine look like? I look forward to learning from you as well, and cheers to a great day ahead.